Hello dear students, today I am going to start new unit 8 biomechanics and sports. So we have already completed up to unit 7. I think that you have completed your all work, all kinds of writing work, all questions answers you have completed. So from today I am going to start unit 8 biomechanics and sports. So before starting this unit, we have to learn about the few learning objectives, means what are things, what are objectives we have to achieve in this unit, in this chapter. So learning objectives, first of all, meaning and importance of biomechanics in sports. So in this chapter, first of all, we have to read about the meaning and importance of biomechanics in sports. Second, you have to read about the types of movement: flexion, extension, abduction and adduction. Third, Newton's laws of motions and their applications in sports. Last, friction and sports. So these are the only four topic, four objectives from this chapter. So in this PPT, only we have to read about the meaning and importance of biomechanics in sports. So before starting the meaning of biomechanics and sports, first of all, we have to read about the introduction of this chapter. So in the history of physical education and sports, individuals have been interested in enhancing their performance. Today, physical education teachers, coaches and physical trainers are concerned with helping individuals to learn how to move efficiently and effectively in primary and high school. Stress is laid down on learning the fundamental motor skills, which provide a base for the learning of advanced sports skills. The teachers as well as coaches always make their best efforts to improve their performance of students in various competitive games and sports. They can instrumental to improve the performance of student if they have adequate knowledge of biomechanics. Nowadays, biomechanics is playing important role in improving their performance of sport persons. So this is the little introduction about the biomechanics. Now we have to read about the meaning and importance of biomechanics in sports. First of all, you have to read about the meaning of biomechanics. So biomechanics is derived from the Greek word bio and mechanics. Bio means living things and mechanics is field of the physics. Bio means living things and mechanics is the field of the physics. Thus it is a branch of science which deals with the forces related to the body movements. According to Herbert Hertz said that biomechanics is the study of the structure and function of biological system by means of method of biomechanics. According to Miller, Skene said that biomechanics involve applications of mechanical law to living structure. So just like this, according to the Verlex partner, it is the science concerned with the action of forces internal or external on the living body. So these are the few definitions which are given by the different writers. So I think that you have understood about these definitions. So you have to write any two definition from here, and you can note down. So biomechanics, I am again explaining this. Biomechanics is a sub-discipline of physical education. The term biomechanics is a combination of two words, bio and mechanics. Here bio is a Greek word that refers to life or living things. That mechanics refer to the field of physics and the forces that act on the body's in motions. The primary purpose of biomechanics is evaluate a living organism motions as well as its application of forces. In other words, biomechanics is a subdiscipline that applies the laws of mechanics and physics to study the bodily movement and the causes of movement both internally and externally. It can also be said that biomechanics is the study of forces and their effects on living systems. So these all definitions giving different writer but their meanings are same. So as a matter of the fact, can be said that biomechanics is the study of body as a machines that study of the body looks at the internal and external forces that act on the body and movement that these are force produce. So these are meanings of the biomechanics. Now we have to read about the importance of biomechanics in sports. So what are the importance in biomechanics in sports? So first of all, you're watching here understanding the human movement. So human movements, how we will move, we can understand by the biomechanics of our human movements. Second, knowledge about the forces on body. So there are the many kinds of forces applied in our body, so we can get the knowledge from the biomechanics then which forces applies in our different parts of the body. Third, efficient movement. So how can we uh, gain the knowledge from the biomechanics? Then efficient movement, how can we achieve correct movement, how can we achieve the correct movement? Preventions of injuries, prevent injuries. So if we have the knowledge of the biomechanics, we can also prevent from the injuries through the playing different kinds of sports or doing any kinds of movements. We can also prevent our injuries. Next, improve performance. So but if we have knowledge of the biomechanics, we can also improve our performance. So we can learn from the different technique skills, we can learn from the biomechanics. Next, knowledge about the physics principles. So there are the many kinds of the physics principles we can apply it in different sports and games. So we gain the knowledge from the biomechanics, knowledge about the physics principles which we can apply on different games and sports. Next, guide safety principles. So you know that it's very important for us that we have to keep us safe during the playing any games or doing any kinds of physical activities. So from the when we gain the knowledge of the biomechanics, we can also prevent us from the different kinds of injuries. Next, help in the research work. So if we have knowledge, we can do the different kinds of research work about the our technique skills, and we can improve different kinds of equipments for the improving our fitness level. So helps in the development new tools. So by the biomechanics, we can also develop new tools for improving our skills, technique, and our physical fitness. So these are the few importance of the biomechanics in sports. Now few importance I am more telling about the just like this. Assist the improving the techniques. The simple method of the improving performance in most of the sports is to improve the technique of a sport person. As a matter of fact, it is one of the motivating factors for studying biomechanics. Biomechanics can be applied to improve the techniques in two ways. First, the teachers of physical education may use their knowledge of mechanics to correct the rectify the errors of the sport person in order to improve the proper execution of skills. Second, the sport person may discover new and more effective techniques from the performing sport skills. For example, Dick Fosbury discovered the new technique of high jump with the help of the biomechanics, and that technique helped him the achieving the extraordinary achievement in comparison to the Seattle technique. So for the making correct actions of the rectifying the technical errors, the teachers of physical education use qualitative and biomechanical analysis method in every day in their coaching. So by discovering new technique, teachers use quantitative biomechanics analysis method. After that, the techniques are communicated to the teachers to implement them on sports. So help the improving equipments. I have told already that we can also improve the equipment. The study of biomechanics also help the improving the sports equipment. It help the improving the design for the equipment used in a various sports. Shoes and sports cloth constitute the equipment used the almost every sports. Next, facilitate performance in sports. The main goal of the biomechanics is the improvement in sport performance. So indeed, biomechanics enhance the performance by the utilizing mechanical principles to improve an individual technique, the equipment he uses, and modify the specific training method along with this biomechanics. Next, support to the preventing injury. So biomechanics help the preventing injury in the various ways. It also helps in the process of rehabilitations of injuries. In fact, biomechanics is useful in identifying what forces may have caused an injury, how to prevent the injury from the occurring and reoccurring, and that the exercise may help in the process of rehabilitation of injury. So biomechanics is used to provide the basis of changes in technique, equipment, and training to prevent injuries, help in the promoting safety, work in the improving of the training, facilitate understanding the human body, and assist in improving the teaching and learning process. So there are the many kinds of importance we can get. Is very important. We can get from the biomechanics. So biomechanics is very important for the games and sports. So okay, thank you. Whatever topics I have taught you, you have to revise and make short notes. Okay, thank you.